The 2026 Kia PV5 is built for people who want freedom, comfort, and smart electric mobility in one futuristic package. Designed with a bold and modern look, this camper van combines advanced EV technology with practical living space, making it perfect for road trips, digital nomads, and outdoor adventures. From the first glance, the PV5 stands out with its clean aerodynamic body, sharp LED lighting, and futuristic front fascia that gives it a premium and high-tech personality. The large windshield and smooth body lines improve visibility and efficiency while creating a stylish appearance that feels years ahead of traditional camper vans. On the outside, the PV5 features sliding side doors for easier access, rugged wheel designs, roof rail options, and a spacious rear cargo setup that can be customized for camping equipment or travel gear. Kia designed this van with flexibility in mind, allowing buyers to choose layouts focused on family travel, work, or full camper conversion. The compact proportions make city driving easier, while the long wheelbase creates impressive cabin space inside. Its futuristic lighting signature and minimalistic design language make it look more like a concept vehicle brought into real life. Under the hood, or more accurately beneath the floor, the 2026 Kia PV5 runs on an advanced electric platform that delivers smooth acceleration and quiet performance. The electric powertrain provides instant torque, making the van responsive in both urban traffic and highway driving. Kia is expected to offer multiple battery configurations with competitive driving range for long-distance travel. Fast charging capability allows drivers to recharge quickly during road trips, reducing downtime and improving convenience. The suspension is tuned for comfort, helping passengers enjoy a smooth and relaxed ride even on rough roads. With zero emissions and lower operating costs, the PV5 represents the future of eco-friendly adventure vehicles. Inside the cabin, the PV5 offers a modern and spacious environment designed around comfort and technology. The dashboard features a large digital display with advanced connectivity, navigation, and entertainment systems. Premium materials and smart storage compartments create a clean and practical interior. Depending on the configuration, the camper version can include foldable sleeping areas, compact kitchen space, movable seating, and multi-purpose tables that transform the van into a mobile living area. Large windows bring in natural light and create an open atmosphere, while ambient lighting adds a relaxing feel at night. Kia also focuses heavily on smart mobility solutions, giving users seamless smartphone integration and voice control functions for a futuristic driving experience. Safety is another major highlight of the 2026 Kia PV5. The van is expected to include advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras. These features help improve driver confidence and passenger protection during long journeys. The strong electric platform also enhances structural rigidity, adding another layer of safety and stability on the road. Pricing for the 2026 Kia PV5 is expected to vary depending on battery size, trim level, and camper configuration. Industry expectations suggest the starting price could be positioned competitively within the growing electric van market, making it attractive for both commercial users and adventure enthusiasts. Higher-end camper versions with premium features and larger battery packs will likely cost more, but they also provide greater comfort and extended travel capability. Overall, the 2026 Kia PV5 camper van represents a bold step into the future of electric travel. It combines modern design, advanced technology, flexible interior space, and eco-friendly performance into one innovative vehicle. For people looking to explore the world with comfort, efficiency, and futuristic style, the PV5 could become one of the most exciting camper vans of the next generation.